You're not supposed to just take a box. You spilled all Sienna's food, thanks. That's not even your box, Rufus. I just washed the thing too. Are you opening it up for Girly? Because it's not for you, you know. Wow, Sienna, get in there. That one's yours. You should open it. Get it, Cindy. Come on, help. Get it, Sienna. Sienna, get it. Get it, Cindy. Get it. Oh. Wait. Yeah, that's what I wanted to get. Thanks. Stay out of there. Sienna. Get in there. That's for you, Cindy. This is you. I mean, yeah, he's going to help you. But... Yeah, good girl.